Why should you learn how to manifest? Why should you invest in it? What do you need to invest in it? What are the outcomes? And is coaching helpful? That's what we're going to be talking about today with one of my favoriteest clients, Olympia. She's fabulous, fantastic, has surreal results, and she will tell you, don't listen to me for this video, listen to her. Hi, Olympia. Nice to have
I
you here. Thank you.
My pleasure, Yana.
Thank you. I'll ask you a couple of questions so people know what it's like to learn to manifest and what it takes to work with me and what it takes to get surreal results like you have. So tell me, how did you find me? Where did you
Yes.
get me?
I found you 3 months ago. I came across one of your videos just by chance on YouTube, and I was amazed by the simplicity that you explain how manifesting works because I have been trying everything for the
Mm,
last 10 years. I say 10 years, from
wow.
coaching,
Yeah.
expensive programs, psychologist, therapy, hypnotherapy, everything, all modalities, and nothing really worked. I had been trying to succeed in business for almost 10 years and keep
Wow.
failing for 7 times.
Wow. Yeah, I know. I remember when we first met, it didn't sound very nice, and I felt for you. And we decided we're gonna get you out of it. So tell me, what were your problems? I know them, but tell our listeners and watchers.
Yes, I couldn't really succeed in business. I started multiple businesses through the years. I
Yeah.
was getting really, really close to close the deal actually, but this never happened. But they were really big deals, but at the last moment I was just missing them. And I didn't know the reason. And this pattern repeated again and again and again, and I had no clue why. So I kept returning on a corporate job because I had to survive, then get fired from a corporate job. I get fired, starting a business, then fail, and then start going back to the corporate, get fired again, starting a business like a loop,
Loop,
an endless
complete loop of the
cycle.
same thing over and over again,
Exactly.
never ending. Yeah.
Exactly.
And I remember that you told me after the first session that you fired your psychologist because you felt like you finally got help.
Yes, because I worked with him for 2.5 years and I didn't have the results I wanted. And he didn't believe in manifesting at all.
Mm,
And that
mm.
was the main issue. I
Yeah,
believed, but
yeah.
he didn't. And he put all his limiting beliefs on me.
Yeah, exactly. And we don't do limiting beliefs in here. We don't have any whatsoever. This is a very unlimited channel. I insist on that. So since we started working 3 months ago, what are your wins? Tell me about that.
Oh, I had some really big stuff.
I know.
Yes. The first big win was when I visited a billionaire investor.
Yeah,
I visited him through a very good contact we had, like a common person that we, both knew very well.
yeah.
And then I presented my business plan for a project that I was currently running. And then he said, okay, I will look at it. Very interesting. But I have another project that I would like to give to you directly. And it's a really large project. I'm in oil and gas business. You know the magnitude of such projects.
So it's not about tens of thousands, let's put it that
No,
way. It's
no, no,
about
no. It's about
serious money.
it's about serious money. It's about millions. So
Yeah.
he said, I've tried, but I cannot find any person to do this for many competent people in the Greece market. And
Hmm.
then he directly assigned this project to me.
Fantastic. And all what happened was we talked in a session. You said, I
Yeah.
have meeting tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna say. We talked about it for 15 minutes and you went the next day and you landed. You did what we agreed and you landed super contract for so much money. We are not gonna disclose, but people like we are talking JR. So and more. So
Yes. Because you helped me, first of all, believe it. You encouraged me a lot and you made me believe it. You told me you just need the confirmation and the signature, which is a typical confirmation, and I believe that it's already there. And also, you help me with how I have to behave, how I have to talk, how I have to own the room. And this
yeah.
contributed a lot.
Yeah, your energy. What do you say, how you look, what your energy has to be, how you enter the door and you own the whole building. And that's the way to talk to billionaire investors. And you got it.
Yes,
You got it. And it just got better since then. Now we're on to even bigger stuff than
of
that
course.
little little deal now.
Yes,
Now it
exactly.
looks little. Yeah. So you're doing incredibly well. I mean, your results are stunning. Uh, if we told the number we are dealing with, people would find it difficult to believe, but you and I know. Um,
Yes.
what gave you, what do you think that helped you to get the outcomes you have?
First, I trusted you. My trust on you was the first thing. I
Thank you.
realized that you're a real deal. And I said, okay, this is my last shot. The last time I'm investing on something like that. So I put 100% on myself and I follow exactly what you say. You are really a top expert, a master manifestor. You have really decoded the whole mechanism. And I just follow
Thank
what
you.
you said. And that's why I had multiple successes. I described the first one, but I had more, of course, including the
Yeah,
last one. That was
the last
perfect.
success is I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
it's not millions anymore. Um,
yeah.
okay, and I want to put it here, people, the results are there because every time I say something to Olympia, her response is, yeah, got it, never gonna happen again. I promise you. And it's done. And she goes and smashes it the next day. The last super huge deal happened. We talk on Friday.
Yes.
It's our session on Friday at 5 p.m. And she goes and smashes a meeting on Saturday morning and reports back, I've done it. You have no idea how much money is involved. And I've been clapping for a week now. Yeah, it's that huge. So this is what happens when you listen and do as I ask. Not me being big-headed, me knowing what's going to happen when you do and what's going to happen when you don't. Someone got it. Someone does exactly what I tell them to do, and the results are beyond stunning. So, that's all you need to do. Tell me if someone was on a fence whether to work with me or not, what would you tell them?
To definitely work with you. It's really, really worthy. For instance, I have to say them that they have been trying for so many years, like me, for more than 10 years. And within few months, the dream came true. And it's worth it. It's a whole life. How many years still we have to live? And, we have to to build a life that we are happy and fulfilled and proud of. And it's really definitely worth investing because it's about an entire life.
Yes. You're on totally different timeline. You're on totally different trajectory. Everything flipped in a no time. And I have such a huge trust in you, such a huge trust in you. You're an extraordinary person. And I know you're going to get everything you ask for because you deserve it, just because of who you are and how hard you work at being the version which can have everything you ask for. So thank you very much, people. This is how it works. If you want to get similar or same results, you want to invest in yourself and you want to finally have breakthroughs and very quickly, there's a link in the description of the video when you can sign up for one of my programs, which is designed to help you this way, and other offers as well. Check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. And again, Olympia, thank you for taking time.
Thank you very much, Yana. My pleasure.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.